Hey folks, it's rightly said that our decisions and choices make our destiny. But what happens? The big problem is that we judge, overrate, and underrate the education streams. कि सब साइंस सबसे अच्छा है and humanities is not good, commerce has limited. This is all no judgment, which is not true. So in this video, we are going to cover top 10 careers which are equally prominent in humanities in this line. A little about me: I am Maurya Asan, alumnus of BITS Pilani, and I am Bangalore with 25 years of professional journey. Now I am on a mission to help 100,000 children to become super achievers and lead a successful life. So let's dive in. All right. So as we can see, these are top 10 careers. And before I proceed, I want to make a point. Though these are related to education stream, and we need education and degrees, etc. But the only degree and knowledge not going to help you. All the education or degrees, these are just a base ground, pizza base simply. And in order to make it a taste, we have to apply topping of skills and dominance soft skill, life skills, etc. So let's start. First one, creative designing. So this is really a great career when you are artistic and you are creative person. So this has a high prospect, and these are the sub areas. And as a creative designer, you can become a product designer, or you can become an interior designer and a fashion designer, and also you can go in IT field with designing website and graphics designing and user experience designing. And it doesn't require much technical knowledge, I would say. It's all about look and feel. So again, do not underrate it. It's a great potential, but it depends on the level of your skills and level you take it to your knowledge and apply it. Second one is law. This is again a evergreen career. So if you are kind of very confident, and you have a strong communication, and you are bold, and you think you have no belief that you are going to work for the people to get them justice, then it's for you. And these are the basically sub area, and this huge prospect on employment in corporate law. You can a lot of companies are hiring. Most of the companies, they need lawyers, right, to manage their contracts. Civil law means criminal, all the stuff. Judicial services, a lot of judges and attorney people are there. Revenue and property lawyers, they make good amount of money, who practice in terms of property and revenue. And social legal is just relationship lawyers, right? So this is really, really great. Third one is general management. General management, say no, if you want to get into corporate, where you are people oriented person, your communication is very good, you have good confidence, you are extrovert person, you can get into the corporates and no other organization as a talent management, we call it HR. And also you can get into finance management, public relation management, brand management, marketing management. These are things that is available for you in humanities stream. But for that, you have to get into the management courses, right? And fourth one, it has emerged as a great career potential: social media management. It's just because social media is very, very common now. It's very basic need for any organization to become visible and become marketable in the public, right? So in the social media, it's called community management, branding, and content creation. So these are the stuff that you can choose, go for that. And it has equal prospect, well paid, well regarded, lot of flexibility. So do not underrate it. Next one is digital marketing. This is separate skills. If you are you like the social media, and out of social media you want to get into detail, for that you need to get a skills on digital marketing, separate skills. You have to learn that after your education. So this is again a great career where you can help companies for their online presence, for their more marketing and branding in the marketplace, and run their campaigns so that they can get more and more business. So this is one part. And next is journalism and mass media. So this is also a great career when you think that you are a bold person, and you are great in communication, and you are articulative, and then it's good for you. And it's basically also kind of no is public visible profession where you can go and become journalist. You can also, if you want, you can get into the corporate as a public relation person, right? So it has great prospect, and it depends on your interest. Next is economist. Economist is basically, in humanities area, there is called economy subject. If you are strong and if you like the subject, if you have some kind of no financial outlook, and you want to deep dive, this is a great area for you. And you can become economist. You can also work in the kind of corporates, investment banking, government. So a lot of places in this economists are working, they are employed. It's very much prominent and well regarded career, I would say. And eighth one is language trainer and translator. So if you are a linguistic person, I mean, you play with the languages and you are able to learn any language very quickly. You can learn the foreign language and train other people. And you can also become a translator, right? There are a lot of no embassy translation services required. Somebody want to go to abroad, so you can become a translator and make a decent life and decent earning out of it. And ninth is about creative and performing arts. So if you are kind of creative person, out of this, these are the sub area. You can become an artist, a painting. But it has to be you have to go to the every next level where you can monetize your art, and you can become dancer, singer, actor, photographer, and film and social making, right? So these are things available if you are creative and you are interested in performing arts. And last but not least, 10th one, psychologist. Psychology, there's psychology subject. It's very good subject in humanities, where you can help people in healing, counseling, and well-being management. A lot of companies now employ these psychologists to help their employees as well-being. Also, they can practice in the hospitals or some other organization to help the people. So basically, these are the careers available, and it depends on your choice, your skill set, your mindset, what resonates with you, and what you want to take it to the next level. And every area, I mean, it doesn't matter. Nothing is something very prospective or very great. That is, you have to make it great. You have to take it to the next level, and you can succeed. As in all this area, you can get employed, or you can become a trainer, educator. You can also do solo practice. You can also set up your own business. So there are immense opportunities. It's just we have to bust the myth that humanity is not that prospective. So that's how I would like to cover for our day. All right. Hope you could get value out of it. If you like it, you can subscribe the channel to get more similar resources, and you can join my community that is called Super Achievers Mastermind to be in right environment and get more details and resources. Also, I'm really excited to give you a Git free success mindset guide you can download from below link. So with this, I sign off. Thank you so much.